Hey guys, I decided to try out something. See, we got this grill here. So I'm going to just pour the charcoal into the charcoal bin, and I'm gonna leave the grates off, and I'm gonna use this right here, the skewer, and I'm gonna try to make some s'mores. At least that's the idea. Once that gets completely oh once that gets all with all the flames and stuff, I'm gonna dump it and then we'll start doing it. I mean, technically, you really can't uh, go without s'mores when you got able to create an open flame right in your own backyard. That's the idea. And besides, they've been bothering me here steady to make them. I mean, it was my idea at first, but yeah, they've been wanting me to make it for the past couple days. Like, get out there and make them s'mores. So that's what we're doing. And it's very simple, guys. You just um, get some of these metal skewers. It should be long enough to not get burnt. You just put the marshmallow on the end, like so. So yeah, see. That's all you want to do is make sure that the skewer is poked right straight through. That way you can it stays on there sturdy enough so when you start roasting these that they're not gonna fall right off into the charcoal. That won't be good. And I wonder if I could just do it this way and not dump the charcoal. Huh, look at that. Perfect. Maybe I won't go too high, too far down this time. Hold on, man. Let me get a better position of this thing. There you go, flame. Let the fire take over, eh? Okay, they're all done. Here's a close up. I apologize if you guys cannot see that good. 'Cause it's bright out, as you can see, and I'm in the shade, so it's not getting the best light. So yeah, so what I realized, um, getting one of these charcoal chimneys and start the fire in there, and you can roast the marshmallows right on open flame. That works good. I mean that takes really. It don't take long. It was really quick. Anyway, guys, that's going to be it for the video. If you got the video, please hit that like button. I appreciate it, and thank you all for watching. Bye, guys.